Hey YouTube, back with another video. It's been a while since I've uploaded. We're gonna be doing an RV bubble replacement. I've never done it, it's the first time. So as you can see, I already took half of this stuff off, half of the putty off. We got the other half to go. So it's a replacement. Here's the new one. We got some flex tape, drill, everything we need. So we're gonna be taking this off, and then once I'm ready to take off the bolts, I'll restart the video. Alright guys, I got all of this out. I needed a 6mm for this, so I got the first one out, second, third. We're gonna go all around this, take all of them off, and I'll be back to show you guys the next step after that. Alright, now that we got all the screws out of the way, all around, I'm gonna get the putty knife and pry all this up, and then take it all out in one piece. And there's a new one. Alright, the top is off. We're going to take all the extra stuff out of here, all the putty out of the corners, and install the new one. I got all of this stuff out of the way now. All the sealant I used to seal it. All done. The old one's here. There's this one. There's a new one, the clear one. And we're gonna start cleaning this up with odorless mineral spirits. So we're gonna go through it, clean as much as we can, and then we're gonna put the sealant. This is the one. So SR for 140. Alright, let's get started. Now that we got it all cleaned up, ready to go, just give this one more last clean up in here. Clean that up. That. And now we're going to start putting this all up and down here, and I'll be back. Alright, now that we got it in place, we went ahead and placed this, wiggled it around. Now you can see all around it sealed. And now we're gonna put on the screws, and I'll show you guys how it looks after. Alright, we got all the bolts in. As you can see, it's seeped out through there, all along the edge. You guys are gonna need some extra bolts, so make sure to buy some. I'm missing 2 there, 1 more here. I just went ahead and looked in my toolbox. I happen to have more, so I'm just gonna put those 3, and then put a little bit of this over the bolts, and it's all done. I might just in case, just put a little bit more of, put this on top just in case. So once it's done, I'll turn it back on and we'll check it out.